Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a workspace you will actually use. Create a Drive folder named with your novel title and version, then open a new doc and assign heading styles for chapters and scenes so the outline builds automatically. Once done, adjust page setup, margins, paper size, and line spacing to match your drafting needs. Make sure to rename the document with a clear version pattern so you can find drafts quickly. This saves time and prevents accidental overwrites. You now enter the drafting rhythm. Work in focused time blocks and write without self-editing. Use comments to stash ideas and suggestions when you or a beta reader propose edits. Use keyboard shortcuts for speed. Apply heading styles as you add chapters so the outline stays navigable. Periodically open version history and name milestone versions. That way you can revert if a major rewrite goes wrong. This structure keeps your manuscript organized and prevents you move toward completion by consolidating edits and exporting clean files. Run find/replace for consistency, use read aloud to hear pacing, and collapse the outline to review chapter flow. Once satisfied, export to the required format. DocX for editors, PDF for proofs, EPUB for indie self-publishers. If anything goes wrong, missing text, or accidental deletion, open version history and restore the nearest named snapshot. That single recovery step fixes most problems and saves weeks of rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.